everyone, it's ExpressAmber, and it's everyone's favorite day of the week, the day that I give you express information to keep you trucking in the express lane. Let's go. Today, we are going to talk about the Unified Carrier Registration. I have a previous video that you can search for over in my videos about what the UCR is and all the different definitions and everything about the UCR. So if you're not sure what the UCR is, you can go search for that video. However, this video today is to tell you guys that the 2019 UCR fee schedule is delayed until further notice. So what that means is that typically starting October 1st through December 31st, you have to file your UCR for the next year, so for 2019. However, because the FMCSA and the federal government, they are still trying to work out the fee schedule to make it fair for you guys, they have not released the 2019 fee schedule. So you are not required to file your UCR before December 31st. I want you guys to be careful because there are some third-party registrations out there who are saying that you can pre-register for it and that they'll just keep your money until it's time to file and you'll prepay for it and yada yada yada. That's not really true. You are not required to file for the 2019 UCR until the FMCSA releases that fee schedule. Once they release that fee schedule, you have 3 months to file. So just keep an eye out, keep an ear out, listen for when the FMCSA drops that new fee schedule for 2019, then you can go file. The UCR also has a brand new site, ucr.gov, where you can go directly and file your UCR. So again, you're not required to file before the normal deadline of December 31st. The deadline is delayed until further notice. We will, of course, keep you updated here at Express Truck Tax, but if you have any specific questions, please feel free to call us Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., 704-234-6005, and our helpful staff will be able to help you with any kind of questions that you have about the UCR. Now, one more thing I did want to briefly tell you about was the IRS shutdown. Every December 25th, the IRS shuts down for Christmas, obviously, but they don't reopen. They remain closed until about mid-January. And during this time, you can still come on and you can still file your 2290s with Express Truck Tax. We're still here. However, the IRS e-filing systems are not. What that means for you is that you are not able to get your stamp schedule 1s during that time. So if you have your year-end renewals, if you need your plate renewed at the end of the year and you need your 2290 and you haven't done it yet, now is the time to do it. You will not get a stamp schedule 1 after December 25th until the IRS opens up again mid-January. So this is kind of a big deal. If you have questions, again, just give us a call. We're happy to help you. Okay, I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Please drive safe, and I hope that you get to spend some time with your families. Thank you so much for what you do. Don't forget to subscribe down below so that you never miss a video, and then also head on over to Facebook and Twitter and follow me there. All right, guys, thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Bye.